here are things that you can do to earn an extra coin. Hello and welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about things that you can do to earn an extra income as a student. The first one is tutoring, right? So here what you do is it's either you as a university student could be assisting students that are rather learners that are in high school with whatever subjects that you excelled while you were still in high school, right? Or if you're already a senior at university, you could help students who are, for example, in first year who are doing a module that you have already done and you excelled in, right? So you can either be tutoring high school students or you could be tutoring university students. So we have companies like Teach Me Too, there's 123 Tutors, there is Bright Sparks as well. If I can think of any other, I will leave all the links in the description box below, right? And then number 2, we have online surveys or just surveys. Number 2, surveys. So there comes a time where brands want to introduce, let's say, a different or a new product into the market, and they want to have a feel or an idea of what their potential customers think of this new product, right? They could be asking you to rate the packaging of the product. If it's so, like, what are you not satisfied about when it comes to let's say washing powders that are already in the market, right? Maybe they could be giving you an ad, right? They ask you what you think of this ad, what would you remove, what would you add, so right, things like that. And then we also have a platform which is not really for surveys but more for studies, right? Let's say there's a university somewhere that wants to, right, understand people's perception when it comes to a certain thing, right? So you would be participating in that study, right, in that online study. So this particular platform is prolific, but the last time I checked, because of the overwhelming number of students, or rather overwhelming number of people who wanted to take part as participants, you first have to get into a waiting list before you are welcomed into the platform. But you can just keep on checking if that's still the case, right? So we have the likes of Your View, you have Survey Time, you have Life Point, you have Rewarding Ways, and many other, right? I'll just leave all of the links in the description box below, right? Some of the platforms or the websites need you to have a PayPal account in order for you to receive your money, right? And then number 3 is you could get a job on campus. So I did record or post a video about possible jobs that you can do on campus, and I'll just leave the link in the description to watch that video. So I did touch on different jobs that you could possibly do on campus. Right. And speaking of other videos, if you want to have an idea of methods or techniques that you could possibly use to get started when it comes to budgeting, please watch this video, okay? It explains the 2 methods that you can consider using. And last but definitely not least, you could sell your notes. Right, I'm gonna need you to listen very carefully, okay? Please do not upload notes that you were given by your university or by your college. Don't do that, right? We'll have copyright strikes. It's just gonna be a mess, okay? So what they want is your notes. Some people have these beautifully written orderly notes, different fonts hitting with different fonts, different coloring pens or pens, highlighters, these beautiful, aesthetically pleasing notes, right, that someone else can use and understand what is actually written. So they want your notes that you wrote down as you were studying, right? So don't let those notes go to waste. There's what is it called? I think it's Study Pool, yeah, one of the companies that you can consider using. Study Pool, there's another one, can't seem to remember the name, but I will, just make sure that I have all of the links that you need in the description box below. Right, so that is all we have time for today. If you are currently doing something, right, in order for you to have an extra income, please let us know whatever it is that you're doing. You could be helping someone out. If there's something that you are doing and you see that it's profitable and it's safe, please let us know in the comments below, right? Please like this video, share, subscribe, and till we meet again, toodles.